What up, good people? Welcome to another episode of B-Tech Production. This channel is for creatives who want to start their own YouTube channel or learn how to use Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro. They want to figure out the ins and outs, and they want to figure out how to edit their own videos. Okay. So today we're going to go over how to use the source monitor in Premiere Pro. All right. You know what? No intro, no nothing. We're going to get right into it. All right. So we have all of these. I'm going to go ahead and delete these. So we have our blank canvas going on. And what we're going to do, we're going to add this. And this is our clip. Okay. So we're going to add it to our bin. All right. So normally what I would do is take this clip and put it right over to our timeline, which we can do. Let's see what happens when we do that. All right, so we see, let's open this up a little bit and we'll squeeze in. Now usually what we have to do, and also this looks kind of weird because it's an HDR file and I have to change this around, but normally what I would have to do, I have to wait until she starts talking. We have to figure out where exactly the clip starts.
Ugh.
You're doing a lot of pre-work.
Hey everybody.
And so usually what I would do is clip this right here and I press Q.
Hey everybody. Welcome to Lindsay's Corner.
And that is my beautiful wife, Lindsay. I'll go ahead and add her channel in here. All right, so now with the source monitor, what we can do, we can shorten this process. If we double click over here, it brings it up over here now instead of over here. So what does this do? Well, this is kind of like the same thing, except for the fact that we can scrub a little bit easier.
Hey everybody.
So I know that's where she started. So we can either press mark in. So that's our end point. So that's where our starting point. Press I. And then you could press O, or you could just kind of leave it. So then we drag and drop this whole file. And now from where we starting to edit.
Hey everybody.
We right there. That's perfect. I love that so much. I edit a lot for like artists and everything like that. So like, for example, I have a live DVD, and let's say it's an hour and a half long. Instead of me going through the whole thing, I just bring it in the source monitor and press I and O for the particular song that I want. Okay. Another thing is that I really love, let's say that we want our out point to be here, but let's say we have a montage of photos and we only need the audio. So usually what you have to do is bring this down, right click, unlink, and then that's going to unlink the video from the audio. Delete that. Another thing that you could do to make it simpler on yourself is drag audio only. What?
Hey everybody. Welcome to Lindsay's Corner.
Or drag video only. And this also works too if you have a separate audio source versus the video source. So if you have you're recording from a camera and you have a mic, but you don't want the audio from the mic or the onboard camera, then you can save yourself the headache and just record it like that. Boom. Very easy. So I love that a lot. This also works on 1 second. So like, let's say that I have, this is a perfect example. All right, so I have that sound effect. So if I were to bring this over, and let's just say I just want the sound effect and not the actual picture, then I could just delete this, have it open in our source monitor over here, just drag the audio, and we see right here is where it says ding without the video. That's amazing. I love that so much. So if you found this helpful, please let me know. Leave a comment, something. Let me know I'm reaching somebody, please. No, I love doing these tutorials, and I love to help people out, you know. So until our next video, always be smooth.